Welcome back everyone. We're going to replace a battery on a 2020 to 2024 Ford Explorer. It's the same replacement as a Lincoln Aviator. So we're going to start by taking out all the plastic grommet around the battery cover. Once we take them out, we're going to take out the cover. This clip on the side or the top of the battery. And on the side of the windshield wipers. So you're just gonna try to pull it out and jiggle it as much as you can until it clip out. There you go. And once you come out, then you're gonna go to the side and do the same thing, and it'll come out. Gonna clean all that debris out of there. Then we're gonna take out the top of the battery. There's a cover too. Keep on moving it until it pop up. And then we're gonna remove that out of the way. We're gonna start by taking out the negative. It's a 10mm bolt, and we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to help us out. Fit up and put it to the side. We're gonna take out the positive. There's 2 positive wire on this side. We're gonna start here first because there's only 2 wire. There's 3 wire on the other side. This you're gonna pull it out and put it to the side. Take out the air band, and then we're gonna take out the positive. 10mm as well. We're gonna move the battery cover. It got 2 clips on the side. Try to pop it with a flathead screwdriver. Do the same thing on the positive terminal. Try to lift it up as much as you can. Pull it to the side. Now we're gonna take out the battery hold down. It's a 8mm bolt, and we're gonna use a 8mm socket. Once it's loosened, we're going to pull it up and pull it to the side. Now, using 2 hands, we're going to pull up the battery and take it out. We're going to replace it with a 8.6 AGM. We're just going to try to pull it straight in there. Use 2 hands to jiggle it in until it falls in place. Once it falls in place, we're going to take out the plastic from the positive, and then we're going to place in the battery hold down by hand at first until it falls in place. Once it's in place, then we're going to use the 8mm socket to tighten it. Once it's tightened down, put in the air band. Try to push the positive down until it clip in. Alright, once it click in, then we're going to tighten the positive. We're going to put on those positive wire on the side of the battery. Both of the wire go in the bolt that's in the middle. We're going to put in the 10mm nuts. Tighten those. Once you put in the negative, you're going to hear the alarm go off. And we're going to tighten the 10mm. Then we're going to put in the plastic cover and just push it in until it clicks. Now we're going to put in the cover that's on top of the battery. And we're going to try to align it all the way around and under the windshield wiper. You're going to try to push it in until it clicks in. There you go. Then now we're going to put in the grommets all the way around. They're like around 6 grommet. Then we're gonna put this battery cover on top of it. This for if you're gonna keep the battery at jump start. Thank you so much for coming back and watching our video. And this is how you replace a battery on a Ford Explorer or a Lincoln Aviator. Like and subscribe for more videos.